Okay, hello. How's everybody doing today? We've got the most exciting, most lucrative real estate money-making opportunity to talk to you guys about today. Hello, my name is Scott, and first of all, just looking to give you guys a little background on our company. We've been in business for over 25 years now, and we've done every single campaign known to man, from selling water purification systems to solar panels to investment opportunities, just promoting all different types of products or services that have involved all types of challenges, such as people with bad credit not getting approved for the product or service that you're selling, or maybe you have to pull teeth to get a credit card from a customer only to have the credit card declined. Maybe you've sold vacation packages where you're relying on a husband and a wife to attend a 90-minute timeshare presentation, or chargebacks catch up with you a few months down the road and that starts eating up your paycheck. Maybe you've sold insurance. Maybe you've had to cold call people. Whatever the scenario is, almost every opportunity always has something negative about it, right? Or it came with all different types of challenges. Am I right? So for those of you that have been involved in sales for as many years as we have, you know exactly what I'm talking about. What if I told you that we have an opportunity that just doesn't involve any of that? Okay, let me tell you guys, we have the most exciting, never seen before, never heard of before, brand new to the sales arena real estate opportunity for you to be able to actually make offers to homeowners to buy their property without having a real estate license, or close on the property in as little as 3 to 4 weeks, making huge commissions, bigger than anything else out there, which again has never been possible until now. We've partnered up with some of the largest cash investors in the nation that are groups of people that fix and flip houses or rehab houses for profit. The commissions are just staggering, just mind blowing. I'm talking about $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a week or more. No hype. These are real numbers. And then we have another opportunity for select call center owners where you can start your own virtual real estate consulting business, recruiting others to work for you, making an excess of 20,000, 30,000, as much as $50,000 in a week or more. Of course, that requires you to have a team of agents working under you, which we'll talk about later. Now, just to educate you guys a little bit more, for those of you that don't know how a property is typically bought and sold or rehabbed and flipped for a profit on the open market. So there's approximately 288 million people in the US. Approximately 50% of all homeowners, they typically want to get the best deal on their home. They would list it on the MLS, which is the multiple listing service, with a realtor, and sometimes they have to wait 6 months to a year or longer to sell their home. Then there's the other 50% of people, which is roughly about 144 million homeowners that may be involved with a distressed property, that they need all different types of repairs done to the house, which they can't afford. Maybe they're going through a divorce and they need to sell the property quickly. Maybe they owe on their taxes. Maybe they're having financial difficulties. They're going through foreclosure. Whatever the case is, millions of homeowners want to sell their property quickly, and that's where you come in to make a huge commission in the process. So the way it works is we would buy the property, paying all the closing costs, pay all the repairs on the house, and let the homeowner just walk away and close on the property in as little as 3 to 4 weeks. And we're going to show you how to do this in 6 minutes or less on the phone with the homeowner. So today we're going to be talking about the real estate consultant opportunity itself, the companies that we're partnered up with, how the leads are generated, along with the compensation plan, which is the best part. So buckle up and enjoy this very unique money-making real estate opportunity. So hello everyone, this opportunity is for telemarketers, appointment setters, sales reps, entrepreneurs, real estate agents, real estate brokers, title companies, call center owners, really anybody looking for the newest, never seen before real estate campaign to capitalize on. Now, I don't have to tell you guys, everyone knows the most money since the dawn of time has always been made through real estate. Okay, so it's time to be your own boss. There's no cold calling. These are all incoming calls. We feel we have the number one most lucrative home-based money-making real estate opportunity on the internet today. So welcome to the $200,000 club. And for those of you that just want to break that down, we're talking about $3,000 to $4,000 or more in a week. Ladies and gentlemen, you have found the $200,000 a year club. So later on, once we get your documents back, we're going to be sending you the scripts. Here is the script here. We're not going to go through it right now because we're limited on time, but we will have a thorough training program, and we're going to go through all of this. So you're going to be able to have a chance to review all this. We're going to send the scripts. We're going to send you the rebuttals. We're going to send all of this to your email. These are just commonly heard questions or concerns that the homeowner might have. So again, we're going to go through all this with you later on. Here we just have a cheat sheet just showing you how to come up with the repair costs based on their square footage, based on what type of repairs they may need to do on the house, whether it's light repairs, average repairs, or heavy repairs. We're going to go through all of that with you later on in the more detailed training. Okay, so let's talk about how the leads are generated. This is the exciting part, and then we're going to go into the compensation. So you want to just forget about cold calling. We're not knocking on doors. That's a thing of the past. We have industry social media marketing experts that have given us the successful money-making blueprint on methods that are working phenomenal to attract hundreds of new customers daily. This is the secret sauce. We're going to give you the step-by-step formula on how to create a Facebook business page and boost your ads to thousands of people daily, targeting these homeowners that want to sell their property. Okay, we're going to show you how to create your ads on Google AdWords to generate tons of incoming calls from all over the US, reaching the 144 million people that want to sell their homes. Okay, we're going to pull the curtain back. We're going to give you all the training videos on Facebook and Google Ads. Again, these are the two biggest websites on the planet that exist. We're going to be talking about social media marketing, pay-per-click marketing. We're going to show you how to get your phone to ring nonstop all day long, where you're able to simply negotiate with the homeowner to sell their property. You just simply read the script and get paid the highest commission that is available today compared to everything else out there that people sell over the phone, which is a salesperson's dream. So we're going to show you how to get jot forms filled out and having them land in your inbox all day long. These are red hot leads from homeowners wanting to sell their property, so you can follow up with them. We're going to give you proven emails, proven text messages for you to follow up with these homeowners. The nice thing is Google and Facebook won't even bill you until 30 days later, allowing you to earn these huge commissions first before you even have to pay the little advertising bill that comes with this opportunity. So for as little as 10 to 20 bucks a day in advertising to generate these phone calls, you're going to be doing 5 to 10 sales a week, making $800 to $1,000 a day or more. That's $4,000 to $5,000 a week. These are huge commissions, real numbers, no hype. Remember, you're just going to be making offers to these homeowners on these homeowners' property, and then we close on the property in as little as 3 to 4 weeks is when you're going to be funded during that pay week. So let's talk about the compensation plan and the rate card. This is super exciting, guys. I've never seen anything like this in 25 years we've been in sales. So deals that close at the title company, we're going to start out high with a $20,000 wholesale fee. Of course, this ranges depending on the ARV, which is the after repair value, which we're going to go more in detail training is that exactly as to how to come up with the ARV. But realistically, these are houses that range anywhere from $200,000 to $300,000. We can ask for a $20,000 wholesale fee and earn yourself a $3,000 commission. Same thing here when you're asking for like $10,000 to $15,000 on a wholesale fee. You're talking about homes ranging anywhere from $100,000 to $200,000 or up. Again, $15,000 wholesale fee, you're making a $2,000 commission. A $10,000 wholesale fee, you're making a $1,000 commission, and a small little $5,000 wholesale fee, which you're going to do a ton of these, you're making a $500 commission. So these are going to add up at the end of the week. We have agents right now that are averaging 5 to 10 closings a week. You might get a few $1,000 commissions. You might pop a big $2,000 or $3,000 commission. Then you might have a bunch of small $500 commissions. But the bottom line is this is adding up to again, more commissions and bigger paychecks that we've seen in the last 25 years that we've been in business selling every single product and service known to man. This by far is the best thing we've ever seen. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the $200,000 club. All right. Funding is going to be based on all closings that are done within the Monday through Sunday pay week. That's going to be paid the following Friday. Once you have your pipeline built up, you're going to get paid every single Friday thereafter. Okay. You're also going to receive a funding report every single Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so to get started, guys, working with us, again, people, in 25 years that I've been in business and in sales, I've never seen any real estate sales opportunity that you can get involved in making this much money without a real estate license and without any experience whatsoever. Again, we're not buying and selling homes here. We're simply funding and finding the distressed buyers wanting to sell their property. We're acting as middlemen, if you will, just flipping contracts. So to get started working with us, you want to send us an email. You don't want to respond through the Craigslist automated email address, as we can't send the application packet if you just simply hit reply. We need your real email address. So make sure you're emailing us straight away from your email address to ours. If you're just going to reply through Craigslist, make sure you type in your real email address in the body of the email. Okay, you're going to send us an email to realestateopportunity411@gmail.com. Of course, we have a real email address, our website. We're a real company. You're going to be privileged to all that information once we send you your documents to get started with us. So you want to state in your email that you're excited about the opportunity. You want to tell us about your sales experience. Tell us you've heard the webinar. You're ready to start. You're excited about this. Upon receipt of the email, we're going to reply with the application, the compliance agreement, the W-9 form, and the direct deposit form if you choose that method of payment, along with the compensation plan we just went over. So you're going to have all that in writing. Due to the fact that we're extremely busy on the phones all day long, this is the reason why we've automated this entire hiring process. So we're going to leave this page up for another 5 minutes so you can take down this email address. Again, it's realestateopportunity411@gmail.com. Now, we also have an incredible virtual call center owner opportunity. You have to have a valid corporation, you have to have an EIN number, a business bank account, and of course, you have to have some experience recruiting and trading agents. You want to send us an email letting us know you're interested in the call center owner opportunity so we can send you a webinar cut video. Basically, the difference is going to be it's going to be cut off right before the pay scale, so the agents you recruit won't know what you're receiving. The webinar cut video will be exactly as this one that you're hearing. Again, the only difference is it will be cut off before the pay scale. Usually other call center owners would simply cut that right in half to pay out to their agents. So our contact information, including our office number, is going to be included in the DocuSign packet that we're going to send to you to get the ball rolling. Once we receive your documents back, we're going to forward you the step-by-step blueprint and the training tutorial videos on how to advertise on Facebook and Google Ads so you can start generating these incoming phone calls, so you can start making offers to these homeowners and making a ton of money working with us. Just huge, staggering, mind-blowing commissions. So we look forward to you joining our successful money-making team. Thanks, guys. Let's all have an extremely profitable year, and we'll talk to you soon.